Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom ad sizes in Canva correctly, step by step, in 2026. If you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or any other platform, using the correct ad size is extremely important. Wrong dimensions can cause blurry designs, cropped text, or rejected ads. So let's do it the right way. First, log in to your Canva account. From the Canva homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the button that says Create a Design. Now, instead of choosing a preset size, click on Custom Size. This is where you can manually enter the exact dimensions you need. Next, select the unit. Canva allows you to choose pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. For digital ads, always choose pixels because ad platforms use pixel-based dimensions. Now enter your custom width and height. For example, if you're creating a Facebook feed ad, you might enter 1080 by 1080 pixels. If it's a Google display ad or banner, use the exact size recommended by the ad platform. Once the size is set, click on Create New Design. Canva will now open a blank canvas with your custom ad dimensions. Now it's time to design your ad. Start by adding your background color or image. Then insert your headline text, offer, call to action, and brand elements. Always keep important text and logos away from the edges. This helps prevent cropping issues on different devices and placements. If you want to reuse this ad size later, you can duplicate the design or save it as a template. This saves time and keeps your ad sizes consistent. Before exporting, double-check your design. Make sure text is readable, images are high quality, and nothing looks stretched or blurry. Now click on Share and then Download. For most ads, choose PNG for high-quality visuals. If file size matters, you can choose JPG with high-quality settings. After downloading, your custom-sized ad is ready to upload to your ad platform. And that's how to create custom ad sizes in Canva correctly, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Canva and digital marketing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.